finance, a la shmup. How do you differentiate between large cap, mid cap, and small cap companies? All right, well, people, it's all about the cap. So what is the cap again? No, this cap. That's market cap, market capitalization, or rather the value that Wall Street investors are placing on the company's future earning powers. That's how you kind of value companies, right? Well, simply put, to make categorizing investing in these companies easier, mutual funds and index funds have somewhat arbitrarily created brackets for the three different sizes of companies. The presumption runs that smaller companies carry more risk but grow faster than very large companies, and they're more volatile and they appeal to a certain type of investor. Medium-sized companies, well, yeah, they're somewhere in the middle, shockingly. And, large cap. They don't grow as fast, pay a dividend usually, and kind of they are what they are, behemoth. So what are the numbers? Well, this is how they were created. The first gradation was started at $1 billion or so, and it ended at about $5 billion, like below $1 billion, it's like a nano cap, or it's a really small cap company. And many companies grow through all three phases of small, medium, and large cap. Take Netflix, please, for $9.95 a month. Yeah, they paid us to say that. All right, well, Netflix came public at a valuation of around $300 million, really small cap. It then grew and grew from being a small cap company to a mid cap company when it passed the valuation of $5 billion, and then continued to grow into the large cap behemoth it is today at $50 billion plus. Netflix did well. So Netflix generally kept its number of shares outstanding flat-ish. A few options there, it got diluted a little bit. And as the stock price rose, the market capitalization rose as well, or said another way, investors valued the company more and more highly. So Netflix graduated from being a small cap to being a mid cap a half dozen years or so after it went public, and a half dozen or so years later, it graduated past the $25 billion threshold to being considered a large cap company today. And there's another casual class called Megacap, which generally comprises companies with market valuations over $100 or $200 billion. These companies are behemoths like AT&T, Apple, Amazon, and many other companies whose names don't start with the letter A. So that's it, the difference between large, mid, and small cap companies. You'll have to make like Goldilocks and choose the one that's just right for you.